Okay, so when you're installing this high-end wallpaper, it comes so perfectly rolled out, flawless, right? But then when you handle it, what happens? You're dealing with very wide wallpaper in your hands. You're holding it. It's gonna get wrinkled, right? When it gets wrinkled, it makes a crease. You see this little? I don't know if you can see this right here. Just look in that area. I'm gonna try to move. Well, you can't see it, but it's a slight crease. But even if it were a bubble, like it looks like a little bubble in it. I mean, not a bubble underneath it, but a bubble on the surface because you've bent the paper and it kind of heated up and the heat stretched the material, and now you have a stretch mark. It's really a stretch mark. You can repair it. Watch this. You can repair it easily. In fact, it's made to be repaired. Check this out. You heat up the paper, right? You can do it with a direct flame, with a torch. I mean, you don't let the fire touch the paper. You see that? That's fire. That'll light a firecracker. Okay? Can you feel it? Okay, it's not hot enough yet. Watch this. Did you see the dimple that just formed there? The paper's already reacted to my heat. I don't know, can you see the bubbles going on? There's a dimple here and a bubble there. That means the paper's stretching for me. This is going to be an easy one. Watch this. All right, watch that. Look at how nice and easy this fixes. Look at this. Look at that. Can you see it? I don't even know if you knew what I was talking about to begin with, but trust me when I tell you, it's gone. And that's how you do it. I don't care if you bent the paper and you're like, uh-oh, I'm in trouble. You're not in trouble. Get your heat gun out, get your torch out, put that heat on it, keep the gun moving. It's better if you're not experienced enough with the heat, with the flame, use the heat gun, and just move it around. Less is better than more in the beginning, okay? So go with less heat, keep applying it until that paper stretches. Here's another trick. Take a scrap sample, put fire to it, put the heat gun on it, see what it can withstand, and then you'll know when you have to make a repair what your limits are, all right? Anyway, this is Spencer Colgan, the Tampa Bay wallpaper installer, coming to you from South Tampa, fixing the beautiful future Terragotta Brazilian restaurant. When you come down here and eat, remember me. Okay, bye.